These images are trending on social media, so in this tutorial I will teach you how to generate them absolutely free. So first of all, you have to open your browser and search this website. I will give you the website link in the description. After that, you will see this interface. Then you have to click on Get Started for free. After that, you have to sign up your account. So now you have to write your prompt here, which I will give you at the end of this video. After writing your prompt, you have to leave the settings same as I am doing. You can put number of images you want generate from here. So for now, I leave it as it is, and below I will click on Generate button. After that, you have to click on the image to see the preview. So it has generated a very nice image. Now from here on prompt, I write zebra in my prompt and again click on the Generate button. Let's preview our image. It has generated our image in a beautiful way. If you can write your prompt well, you will also get good results. Now we download this image. So it has downloaded our image without watermark. For more such informative videos, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.